Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Justin, the Musicpreneur Washington. Let me rap to y'all right quick. Today I was doing some thinking, all right, and I wanted to let everybody know, where I stand as far as a job, okay, the 9 to 5 job. A lot of times you will see people in network marketing. I'm sure whoever's watching this video, you may have seen it or you may not have seen it. People just bashing 9 to 5s. All right, they don't want to. I guess they don't want to work a 9 to 5. They don't like 9 to 5 grind. They don't like the fact of trading their time for money. And those are all valid reasons. Those are all very valid reasons. Because think about it. When you're working a 9 to 5 job, what are some things? What are some problems? You know what I'm saying? What are some things that are major problems? Maybe somebody hasn't pointed these things out. Maybe someone has. All right. You're trading time for money, okay? Now, you can trade time for money regardless, all right? That's up to you, whether entrepreneurship or the 9 to 5. But trading time for money with a 9 to 5 job, they're not really paying you what you're worth. I bet they're not, all right? I promise you they're not paying you what you're worth. If you feel like you're worth 9, 10, 11, up to $40 an hour, I guarantee you whatever they're paying you is probably not what you're worth an hour, not worth your time, especially if it's not something that you enjoy doing. All right. Then there's the fact that in a job, of course, you're going to have your boss. That boss has a boss. That boss has a boss. That boss has a boss. All right. You see how it's stacking up here? Now, in the 9 to 5 job world, people in the corporate America world, the person up here, the CEO or the president or whoever is up here, they don't want you to get to their level. They don't want you up here with them, okay? They want you to stay down there where you are as an employee as long as they can work you. All right? That's all. That's what they want. All right? Because they need you to do work so they can get paid more money. All right? Because if you don't work, they don't. There's no income for them. I mean, I'm sure there is if they have multiple streams of income, but I mean, still, if you don't work, they don't get anything. So, and they're not going to train you to be as good as them or even better if you choose to take that much action. You can work as hard as you want. All right? You can work as hard as you want. But I guarantee you that CEO will not want you to get in his position or her position or higher. Okay? As opposed to network marketing. Now, this video is about the 9 to 5 job. But as opposed to network marketing or entrepreneurship in general, well, let's just stick with network marketing here. People who, are above you or they sponsor you, they're not even really above you. Technically, they're beside you and you're working together for a common goal. This person, well, let's keep it normal. Let's keep it, however you want to look at it. They're levels. Your sponsor brings you in. But the thing with network marketing is that someone above you is going to teach you skills. They're going to help teach you skills, provide you with resources that you need to succeed. And network marketing is one of the only industries, if not the only industry, I don't know, so don't quote me on it, where you can surpass this person, your sponsor. You can surpass them if you put in more effort, put in the right amount of work, and use the right skills. You can surpass this person, all right? They brought you in, but you're making more money than them. It can easily happen, okay? So those are two big things. Those are two huge negatives about the 9 to 5 grind, all right? Now, positives of 9 to 5. You are earning money. You are earning money, and you're gonna have to put money into your endeavor, all right? Into your business, into your whatever you're trying to do. Not just business. Whatever you're trying to do, you're gonna have to put money back into it, guys. So a job is a good resource for that, okay? A job is a great resource for you to have money. You make connections at jobs, okay? You meet a lot of people at jobs. Maybe prospects for your business, someone you feel like you might want to work with. You never know. You never know where you're going to meet your next big leader, your next big heavy hitter. You never know where you're going to meet that person. It could be at your job, could be in the grocery store. It doesn't matter. But a job is definitely an opportune place for you to meet someone like that. All right? It's just about you jumping on the opportunity. All right? So that's, I mean, I know I don't have any script to this video, so I know it's kind of all over the place, guys, but I want you guys to realize just the whole idea of this video, all right, is pros of 9 to 5 versus the cons of 9 to 5, all right? Pros and cons. You got to weigh them. Sit back, get back outside of the box and think about it for a second. Just think the pros and the cons, all right? A job, me personally, I think that a job is a resource. I just look at it as a resource, strictly a resource. Of course, if you want to work your business full time, you can. All right, you can definitely do that. I'm not saying you need a job for anything, but I'm saying you can use it as a resource. I'm not the one to bash 9 to 5s. All right, I don't like the 9 to 5 grind. I do not, but I will not bash it. I'm not gonna be like, no job ever. I'm never gonna say that. I'm never gonna recommend that until you get in a situation where you're able to get out of that job. All right. Me personally, I'm gonna be retired from the 9 to 5 grind in 3 months. 3 months. I mean, you can look at the date of this video and you can count. You can count on it. You can come back 3 months from this video. It's May 27th. So August 27th, I'm gonna be retired. All right. I'm gonna be retired. It's a must. But anyway, I just wanted to bring you guys this video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time building your business, building your music career, whatever you're trying to do. I'm all for you, okay? I'm all for you. Now, if you found value in this, you want to discuss anything, all of my information can be found below in the description box. You can call me, text me, email me, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, ooVoo. Several modes to contact me if you have any questions about anything. All right, and it's been wonderful. It's always great to talk to y'all. Anybody seeing this video, it's always great to talk to you, whoever you are. And peace.